Hi, welcome to another special episode of Fishing Around Colorado. When I don't catch a fish to eat when I'm camping, this is one of my favorite meals I love to make. And of course, my mother taught me how to do this when I was little, and kids love this meal. They love participating in making it as well. All you do is you have tin foil, just like this, and you're gonna fold it up, make a nice little area here. And you have some onions, I have some potatoes that I already chopped up, some hamburger meat, and some carrots. And all I'm gonna do is throw it on this tin foil. Really super simple. Here's my hamburger. Take some onions, throw that on there just like that. Some potatoes. That looks great. And I'm gonna take some carrots. Throw that right in there just like that. Really super simple. My favorite seasoning. This is Morton Seasonal. It goes great with everything. What I'm gonna do is sprinkle it on. You can never have too much. And I'm just gonna wrap it up. You want a nice seal. You don't want your stuff falling out on you. And that's as simple as it is. All I'm gonna do now is throw it on the fire and it's ready to eat. Let's go throw it on the fire. I've had my fire going for about an hour now to get the coals really nice and hot. Just gonna mash it down. You don't want huge flames coming up. So you have to do is turn the grate over just like that. 15 minutes, just about. You're gonna hear it sizzle. You can pick it up, you can shake it every once in a while, but it's going to be absolutely delicious. I set my timer for 5 minutes and it's really starting to get hot. What I wanna do is just push it off to the side here, grab it with my mitts, give it a little shake. Get these juices flowing through, just like that. We can throw it back on. Smoke's killing me. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes, so 10 minutes total. Probably have another 5 or 10 minutes to go. Let's give it another shake. Turn it upside down this time. Let's cook on that side. 5 more minutes. Give it a little shake. Another 5 minutes, it should be ready to eat. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now. It should be perfect. Let's get it over the table and see how it is. Okay, here we go. I am really excited about this. The tin foil doesn't really conduct heat, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself with the tin foil. It's the steam that comes out. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. So I have it on a plate, so let's flip it out. This looks really perfect. The hamburger is done. Remember, it's campfire cooking, so if it's well done, that's okay. Potatoes feel perfect. The carrots are great too. I always like my carrots a little bit on the crispy side. This brings back so many childhood memories of camping with my mother. It's unbelievable. It's so delicious. I always had such a fun time cooking this meal with her. I hope you like this special edition of Campfire Cooking on my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. Please let me know in the comment section if I should do more of these videos. So please make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications, and have a wonderful time campfire cooking.